Okay, morning everyone. Let's get started. Okay, today the day is 23rd of March. Time is 10:30. Okay, so good to see everyone here for the 29th of your welcome. Okay, I think the rest will slowly be streaming in. I'm recording this. Okay, so today we will do business as usual. We will go through the index first, then they will go through some of the stocks. Not much stocks too long, right? Okay, and last we will go through some of the individual stocks. Okay, for those that actually went through last Friday webinar, good. I think it's a little bit repeat, but for those that did not go through, so today we will go through some of the stocks. Okay, so let's go through the S&P 500. Yeah, recording is on. Thanks for asking, Kelvin. Okay, let's look at S&P 500. Okay, today good thing is I got time. I'm in office. I came in early morning. Met someone just now. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So can you all tell me what is the trend? Okay, what's the trend of the stock or the index? Up or down? Down, right? Okay, we have been singing this down song for quite a while already. Since late February, we've been saying, oh, down, 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 down. Okay, still down, okay? So there is no up right now. It's still down. If you look at Trader's GPS, weekly is down. Okay, you see the weekly chart, Trader GPS is down. You see the daily charts, also down. Okay, so daily charts, weekly charts, all down. Okay, very clear. Okay, so now let's go a little bit analysis. Okay, a little bit of analysis of what it is the support. Okay, so previously I think there was a support here, but last week I think was broken. Okay, so the support was here end of last week. It closed below the support. There were one candle below the support. Ready. Okay, so this was the previous support level. Okay, and this is quite a impulsive down move, or in fact it's a very impulsive down move. Okay, if we use the Trader GPS, since the down move, okay, from here where we asked to sell around 26 or 28 of February, okay, where we had the sell signal. The sell signal actually came out 25th. Okay, so we're going go up on the 26th. To date, we are up or down about 26%. Okay, this is a very impulsive move. Okay, so one very interesting thing is if we go into the if we go into the monthly charts, okay, if we go into the monthly charts, can you all see over here? This is the monthly charts. Okay, this is the monthly charts. So monthly is really a very long time frame. Okay, you can see the monthly charts. This is our context right now for the monthly charts. Monthly charts, basically, we are looking at down move. Okay, why in this market you're still posting stock for long? How strong is the stock? Is okay. Generally, people like to long lah. Okay, I think a few months ago, right, I start posting long for short stocks, right? I think if you do the scan, you should have. Okay, over the last 1 week, there are quite a lot of stocks to short. Yes or no? If you do the scan, you all notice there were a lot of stocks to short. Okay, but the thing is, most people are not good in shorting lah. Okay, they like to long lah. Okay, if you want to post short stock, I will do that. Okay, if you want to put short stocks, I will do that. But understand shorting, the loss is no limit. Okay, you need to know how to short the market. Okay, TKH. For short term, right? For short term, we can actually use stocks to short. Okay, like weekly swings and things like that. We can do stocks to short. In fact, But short is really another game again, okay? For a lot of people, they are not familiar with shorting, okay? So, okay, let's go back, come back here. We see this down move from the S&P 500, okay? Right now, we are here, okay? So, again, like what I said previously, this is like a lorry that's moving down fast, okay? If a lorry is moving down fast, don't go and stand in the middle and hope that it will stop for you, okay? So right now, this movement is open, high, close, low, open, high, close, low. This lorry is moving downwards fast. Don't go and stand in the middle of the road, okay? So that is the context of the monthly chart. Oh, by the way, don't worry, Melina. You want to short, at least got another 6 months to short, okay? Wait for rally to short, okay? Got wait for rally to short, okay? So at least got another 6 months to do, okay? So right now, we want to see that this is down move, okay? On the monthly chart. Any question? Actually, the monthly chart is rather revealing, okay? If you look at this.
Is it the max file, the latest max file?
If you look at this. Is it revealing?
Can you link me that OBJ? Okay.
How many know what I'm talking about? Okay, for shorting stocks, you look for the weakest stock, not the strongest stock, the weakest stock. Okay, you look for the weakest stocks to short, okay, not the strongest stock. Okay, so this is in the previous time when the market came down in SARS. Okay, this is from 2000 after .com. Okay, and then after low was about 2003. Okay, this is after 2003.
Okay, so I pass you another one.
This is a down move. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. How come you're not mute? Can see? Guys, can see? Okay, so the down move, how does it work? How does it look like? Okay, how does it look like down move? Okay, down move, this is after .com. Okay, price move below the green lines. Okay, and the red lines, this is the monthly chart. Can you see monthly chart? This is a monthly chart, S&P 500 from up after the Asian financial crisis, up, then it turned down. Can you see that? Yes or no? Okay, so this is Asia after Asia financial crisis during the and SARS. SARS actually is here. Okay, now we move on. Then we have the up move. This is the up move, and then the down move is the global financial crisis. So you can see the red lines here sloping up. Yes or no? Okay, and then after that, the red lines here break below the green lines. Can you see here? Break below the green lines, and then it start to go down. Okay. A question later, please. Okay. So, so can you see here the GMMA? Okay, start to go sideways. Got to go sideways, and then after that, it start to go down. Yes or no? So this is the first crisis. Okay, after .com SARS. This second crisis, global financial crisis. So right now, at this moment, price dropped below this green line. Yes or no? When was the last time it dropped below the green line? It was here, in 08 June. Okay, when it impulsively dropped below the green line. Okay, so we can very safely say that this up move here right now is no longer up. Yes or no? from 09 onwards until 2000, okay, most 11 years, right? This move up here, no longer up. Yes or no? I'm trying to go slow so that everyone understand, because I notice that when I go slow, people get more things. So is it right? If you all don't understand, can you all say, I don't understand? Okay. So I can also draw lines to show you that the up move is completed. Yes or no? Okay. So please don't say that right now, oh, market is a correction and very soon after the crisis, within the next 1 month, we recover. I don't think so. Yes or no? In fact, this is not the case, not like this week we said this, okay? I think earlier we already said this. I think maybe 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, we mentioned that, hey, no longer correction ready, is bear market ready. Oh? Yes or no? Okay. The GMMA are both the green lines and the red lines. Okay, the green lines represent the long term, okay, and the red line represent the short term. So what can we tell from this? If you want to predict the next 6 months, okay, if you want to predict the next 5 candles or 6 candles, or next 3 months, it's likely to be up or down. Yeah lah, okay? Correct or not? So this is the lorry, right? That's moving, right? Okay. It can have a, if in a month it can be bounce. Okay. Hopefully there's some bounce, right? So if there's some bounce, then that's good. And then after that, we can do our short already. Okay. But even if no bounce, you don't buy, also save money. Yes or no? Okay. So when you draw all this trend line, everything becomes very clear. Oh. Everything here becomes very clear. These are this weekly chart. Like go to monthly chart, everything becomes very clear. Oh, okay. Can or not? I move on. Too slow already. Okay. So this is what's happening to the monthly chart. Okay, you can go into the weekly charts to give it some more context, or you can go into the daily charts to give some context. Okay, so right now downtrend, daily charts downtrend oversold. Okay, weekly charts downtrend oversold. Okay, so we had a pause here. Now lorry is still moving downwards. Okay, don't stay in the middle of the lorry. Okay, don't stay in the middle of the path. Okay, where is it likely to go after this? Okay, this is the next support. If this support is broken, the next support is the resistance support. Okay, the resistance support is actually here. Correct or not? Can? Okay, now we go to the rest of the markets. Let's go to STI. Well, STI very jalan. Okay, STI is very jalan. Okay, STI almost reached the crisis level already. Oh, guys, remember we talked about this before? I think we talked about this before. Okay. You see, I linked the Asia financial crisis, the SARS, the global financial crisis. We are here, okay? We are really at crisis level mode right now. Okay, but market tend to overshoot. Okay, market tend to overshoot. Okay, but can you see that this is really like crisis level? Oh, in my view, right, the market will not do, in my view, market will not do this and then do this and then do this. Not possible. Why is it not possible? This is crisis level, this is crisis level, this is crisis level. But why is it not possible that this long-term trend line, of the STI, why cannot drop below, go to here, or go to here, or go to here? Why cannot? Anybody want to guess? So right now from a peak, we have dropped already 35%. Okay, from this one we dropped already 50%. From here we drop 50%. From here we drop. This is quite jialat for Singapore. This is Asia financial crisis. Asia financial crisis is quite jialat. Okay, so this is about 60%. Okay. Market tend to overshoot. Okay, market tend to overshoot. Okay, overshoot means say you can go extra a few more months in this below this line. Okay, but if you ask me, we are near to crisis. Maybe the next 2 months, 3 months, we are near to the crisis level line. Okay, the reason is very simple. Okay, think about it. Okay, in 2009, your Teo Peng, okay, and your 2003, your Teo Peng, and your 1998 Teo Peng. Last time I went to eat Ban Mian already, 480 already. How to come back Ban Mian to 250? Cannot lah. Yes or no? Oh, does it make sense or not? If my Ban Mian cannot go back to the $2 Ban Mian, it will stay at this price. It cannot drop below here or below here or below here. You follow what I'm saying? Oh, so if you can manage to buy at this kind of level, close eye buy, okay, and then can hold, you must hold at least 6 months to a year. Okay, at least 6 months to a year, I think okay. Okay? Cannot. Actually, we are not at this level. We just barely touch and then rebound already. Oh? Okay? So the reason is because of inflation. Okay, inflation, the central bank keep printing money and things like that. Okay, it's just a natural. If you can even track lower than that, you can even track before this. Okay, before this period. I don't know whether I got things before. I don't have, but if you can track earlier, it is a horizontal. It's a line. Okay, it's a straight line. Okay, that means from the start, it's a straight line. Oh, okay. Can I move on? Okay, so for those that want to buy crisis, I think we are crisis already. Okay, for STI, Okay, can or not? Can I move on? The context is if you have holding power, you don't have holding power, don't buy, okay? Because lorry is still moving down, Okay, I show you all one more trick, okay? Not trick, I'll show you all one more insight, okay? So far, you're getting something? Okay, good. Okay, so I show you all one more thing, which I done on Friday, okay? I don't know how to do this. Let me see whether I can do this. Bring the VIX. Okay. And then I remove everything. And then hang on. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Give me a second, okay? I want to do this. This one is trading view, okay? It's trading view. Okay, so let's take a look at this. This I'm looking at is what I'm looking at is the wow, today so many people, 70 people. Okay, what I'm looking at today is the is the what am I looking at is the STI versus the VIX. Okay, VIX basically is like the fear index. VIX is like the fear index. Okay, so let's take a look at here, the VIX, the fear index. So the highest point in the VIX during the fear index, the highest point was here, yes or no? In 1998. Can you all see the VIX, the highest point, and the STI at the lowest point? Yes or no? Hello? Can you see or not? Okay. Then we have the global financial crisis. Okay, global financial crisis and the STI at the STI at the lowest point. Okay, actually this is not the lowest point. Okay, let's show you again. The VIX was highest here. Okay, the second low when it was formed here, the VIX actually dropped already. Second time it dropped already. Okay, let me see what I can do this. Zoom in a bit. So this is the lowest point, the highest, the lowest point. It can drop a few more weeks. The VIX is the highest point. Okay, and then after that, it can hit the low again, but the VIX drop already. Yes or no? Okay, I go backwards again. I apologize. So the previous one was here. Okay, I zoom in some more to let you all see. So the VIX was at the highest point in the Asia financial crisis. The STI is at the lowest point. Yes or no? Okay, the second time during the global financial crisis, then September 11, this September 11. Okay, VIX is the highest point, and then the STI lowest point, and then after that, let me move quickly. And then right now, global financial crisis, VIX at the highest point, STI at the lowest point. Yes or no? Okay, and right now, okay, right now, let's take a look. So my question for everyone here is, now VIX is here, STI is here, okay? Are we in fear? Definitely our fear is much higher already, correct? Our fear is much higher than SARS or SARS crisis, okay? But maybe haven't hit the global financial crisis level yet. The global financial crisis is 267, okay? So right now we are here. Definitely we are very fearful, yes or no? Okay, so the hypothesis is like that. When VIX is very extreme, VIX is very extreme, okay? Okay, I will say this is very extreme now, okay? Above 150, okay, it's very extreme. And you got time to hold. How long? 1 year lah. You must hold for 1 year. From the lowest point, you hold for 1 year. This is 98 August, you hold for 1 year. 99 August, up already, yes or no? Correct or not? Okay, VIX as the highest point, you hold it for 1 year, October 2008. You hold for 1 more year, October 2009. Here, up already, yes or no? Okay. So far, okay. And then right now lah. So if we got time to hold right now, hold for 1 year, I think okay lah. Saying that, right, the lorry is still coming down. Okay, but you buy around here, hold for 1 year, I think it's okay. Can? My preference is not to do this. My preference is not to like, wait for the bottom to form. The bottom can be formed in 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, I don't know. But the bottom form already there, buy, I don't need to wait so long, correct? Now the lorry is still coming down, correct? But if those people, I'll buy blood on the street stocks, now lah. Okay? So to answer some of your question, I don't prefer to do like that. Okay, I prefer like very high already. I don't even mind buy higher than now. I don't even mind buy higher than right now, but I prefer not to buy now. Okay, but if you sort of close your eye and buy and say, Collin, after I buy already, I don't want to look at the stock market for next 1 year, can or not? I think can. Can? Am I clear? It means after you buy the STI ETF today, say after that I don't want to look at it for 1 year, cannot. Okay lah, buy today lah, don't care lah. Okay, but if you want to like every day monitor and things like that, then okay lah, then you monitor lah. Every week got webinar, right? How to know your trigger? Very easy. Okay, how to know your trigger? The bottom must be tested again. Okay, bottom must be what? Tested again. Okay, so right now if we form a bottom in 20, this is the 20, what? 200, hang on, the bottom must be tested again, okay? Once the bottom is tested again, 2001, okay? This is I think September 11, I think, okay? Then after that, test again. Let me remove this one, right? Okay, test again, then I buy. Okay, here, test again, then I buy. Okay, so if you test again, then I buy. If it immediately bounce up, possible or not? Possible. Okay, like the Asian financial crisis. Okay, you want to go in to buy. I tell you the simplest way to do it. Okay, the simplest way to do it, the super dummy way to do it is just look at the trader GPS, wait for the weekly charts, wait for the buy signal. Okay, already. That will be the yes or no answer. Okay. So Han asks, is it possible to go? Everything is possible lah. Can you go higher? Can lah. Okay, but if you can hold it for 1 year, you may buy today. I'm not looking at the screen for the next 1 year. Can buy today or not? Can lah. I mean, make sure you don't read news after that. You don't buy. You don't fearful. Today SCI dropped 8%. After today, right? You say, I don't care. Buy, make money, lose money. I don't care. Hold it for 1 year. See how after 1 year then I see my screen. 1 year later, you tell me. I prefer not to do it this way. I prefer to wait for it to stabilize. In fact, later part it may be slightly higher, but doesn't matter. When it's slightly higher, I buy. At least I don't need to wait so long. Yes or no? Okay. For those that want to time one, then use the STI. Change to weekly. That will be your best buy signal. Can? Okay, just mean after the retest, wait for trader GPS, give you buy signal, then you buy. Today, another super slow day, okay? Cannot. Have I shown you systematically, logically, how to approach the market? So actually, you ask me now is super opportunity, super opportunity. Why? Because the market, right? The central bank are printing money like nobody business. The COVID is happening, but one thing we know, guys, COVID will end one. COVID will not be permanent. Yes or no? Correct. Okay, when the COVID end, let's say in 6 months, in a year, please, if the COVID end in 1 year's time, the stock market is not going to wait for 1 year's time then rise. Do you follow what I'm saying? If the COVID is going to be gone in 1 year's time, chances are in few months' time the market will start to rise already. Don't need to wait for the COVID to end the market rise, because stock market is always in front of what is going to happen. Okay? Okay, that's not a big thing, right? It's just for y'all to learn. Okay, if you not necessary to do this, but for Raymond, right? You want to know how to do that? You just click compare. Okay, then click VIX and then just add in that index. Can? Or Raymond? Once it's stable, market will go up already. You don't need to wait for market to end. No need. Okay, market is always anticipation. Okay, so I will say that right now got maybe got 3 group of people. One group of people is blood on the street people. Okay, now can buy or not? Okay, I don't give you my hypothesis already. Okay, those people who want to do a bit more timing one, they don't want to see the stock go down one. Then maybe wait for a while more, wait for the stabilize, use trader GPS, you can actually end up. Okay, for those people who are short term one, you know, you want to swing trade, things like that, cannot wait for rally, you can swing trade. Okay, can also. Okay, DL, is it buy progressively? Is a good strategy. You can also do that. Okay, that means for the next 1 year, you do dollar cost averaging lah. You will hit all the low price. Understand? But please average the correct things. Okay, please don't average the wrong stock. Okay, wrong stock die. Okay, if you don't know what to average, just average the STI ETF. Okay, just average the STI ETF. Okay. Cannot. 11 o'clock already. Same thing. Okay, so let's say right now I want to look at, in fact, the S&P may be even more obvious. Okay, S&P may be even more obvious. Okay, same thing. Okay. The high point, the low point. Okay, you see? Okay. All same thing, So it really depends on you, okay, what you want to do. Okay, you want to like buy on C1, you want to do a bit of timing. My view is I like to do a bit of timing. Okay. But okay, you do timing, you must tell yourself this, I must be willing to buy higher or lower than now. Let's say example, 3 months later, the market is higher right now and trader GPS give you buy signal 3 months later. My question is, 3 months later, will you buy or not? Because you may think, I should have bought 3 months ago. They may end up didn't buy it. They will miss no chance again. Yes or no? Okay? For me, no issue. Okay, I just follow. Okay? And last one is for shorter term one, this 6 months can trade on, can a lot of opportunity. Yeah, don't go into too complicated stuff. Okay, futures, all this, don't go into too complicated stuff. Cannot, guys. Stick to simple. Stick to something that is make money. Can get real results. Okay, and nowadays stick to something result. I think that just means sometimes you overcomplicate things. Okay, don't need to overcomplicate things. Keep it simple, can make money already. Oh, That's more to specifically for you lah. Don't need to stare so closely. Okay, just take the big picture. You okay, correct. Okay, so let me move on. I'll still follow my flow. Okay, so these are some of the scan results. Okay, ZMREGM is the long. Okay, short we have one REIE. Okay, ERIE. Okay, this is my dyslexic. Okay, ERIE. Okay, this is a new signal. Okay, this is a new signal. Okay, so this one is a potential short signal. Okay, so go to here, go to weekly, and then look for swing. Chances are it may not be this week. Okay, it may not be this week. Okay, so if you settle down around here, and then if you swing down again, then you can do a swing down. Okay, you have a price move like that, right? Chances are it is going to be if you have a high price like that, chances are it's either a short squeezed. Okay, it's either a short squeeze, or people who short cannot squeeze. But short squeeze is not real buyers, correct? They are just shorting, and then because company announced something and they got squeezed. So it's not real buyers. So after this, when this thing settle down, okay, then it will go down again. Okay. This one never close above 40 MA. Okay, please go and read your setup. Okay, must close above then void. Okay. Okay, so we have two. I think we have like different groups. Some people are experienced already. Okay, some people are like very new. Don't know how to do any trade again. So to move everybody together is really quite difficult. Some people never shot before. So it's really very quite difficult. So you all need to help me also. Okay. As far as possible, I try to like do optimal. Okay, not too complicated, not too simple. But I feel that right now we have like three distinct groups. One group are people who are making money, they are doing every day, they are profitable. One group on the other end, they are people who are just starting, don't know what to do. Okay, never shot before, the basic stuff not even done yet. Okay, and then there's a group of people who are figuring out. So really, to get you to get good, I mentioned this before, to get yourself coaching. Okay, go yourself. Go with someone who have done it before. Go through coaching. It's not I want to make your $788, please. Okay, and the money goes to the coaches also. Okay, but really, if you want to go through, if you want to get good in this, go and get coach. Okay. Okay, so and you can also look for. I give you the contact, right? You can look for Collin. Okay. Actually, I never thought of doing this, but I think people who don't do anything and lose money and then don't know what to do, do coaching. Okay. The coaches will guide you through, and at least you have a 2-month track record. Every day you follow the same habit, follow the same routine, and it will be beneficial for you. Okay. Cannot. It's $788 for 2 months. Okay. The money, I think more than half goes to the coaches themselves. They got to spend time with you all. Okay, you got to spend time with you all. They got to form a WhatsApp group. They got to meet you every week, 1 week, 2 times, things like that. No, 1 week, 1 time every 2 weeks. Okay, things like that. Okay. So you're still figuring this out, then do it yourself. Okay. Weekly swing, you must look for the setup. Okay, now price is going up, must up, must look for it to come down, then can trade. Understand? Okay. Okay, so today I super extended long training. Okay, is there any stocks that you must check one? If not, we can save it for next week. Is there any stocks that you must know the setup one? I believe that if you all do go through the course, oh yeah, refresher, right? Okay, there's a refresher that is coming up. Okay, so and it's full already. Okay, it's very full already. Okay, so it's very full already. So don't sign up because full already. Okay, maybe next time. Okay, then buy. Okay, next time then come for refresher. Kelvin, OCBC, same thing. Okay, if you are long term OCBC, can buy now. Don't care. Just buy. Wait for 1 year. If you are OCBC, you are looking to entry now. Wait for trading GPS signal to get buy. Okay. Downtrend, OCBC is still downtrend right now. Okay. If you don't know how to stop, but you scared the stocks get suspended, then short the index. Okay, short the index. Okay. Can today I very clear again. Okay, I already take on everything already. Okay. If you're okay, Edison, do for you okay. Okay. Edison, what is your time frame? Because you are special. Weekly what? Weekly position, weekly swing, weekly what? Swing swing, I think not yet. Swing must wait for it to rebound. Okay, disclaimer, that's why I say the 1 year one, you all must really don't see for 1 year, okay? Don't like 2 weeks later ask me, hey, Collin, how? No, I don't care, okay? I say you must don't see for 1 year, okay? Don't later 2 weeks later lower and I say, hey, Collin, how now? Now should I cut loss? Okay? Don't care, okay? This one is buy already, don't see for 1 year. I prefer not to do that. I prefer to do a bit of market timing, okay? Wow, this is quite jialat, Edison, you want to buy or sell? Sell. I think we'll still go up higher. I think we'll still go up higher. A bit more. Wow, this one also so bad. Well, I don't know whether you short this one later was suspended. I think we go up maybe back to here and coming down. Okay. If you don't know what to short, then do the index. Easier, right? Okay. Okay, I think I will call it a day. Okay, thank you everyone for being here. Oh yeah, remember the market-wise event. Okay, I go and show them to do this for free one. Okay, really. Some of them like Mike Bellafiore, all these they are very rich one. Okay, so please go and sign up. Okay, you go and Google Mike Bellafiore, Tom Basso, all these are very well to do people. They want to spend 1 hour, half an hour, 45 minutes to do this submit for you. Please go and attend. Okay, Adam Brian, all these people are very market wise. What is the website? marketwiseasia.com/s. Hey, share with your friend also, please. Okay, share with your friend. Frankly, I do this because I really want more people don't like just close eye buy. I heart pain. Okay, share with your friend, bring them down. Okay. This is Adam Grime. Okay, this is Tom Basso. You can Google Tom Basso. Okay, Google Mike Bellafiore. Mike Bellafiore own one of the top prop trading firm in the world. He got 100 over traders traded 1 million. I just heard he got one trader make $500,000 per month. Okay, this is his trader. Okay, this is his trader. One trader. You know this thing called Wall Street Warrior. There's this documentary called Wall Street Warrior. He got 160 traders. One of his traders was featured in Wall Street Warrior. Okay, he's the founder of S&P Capital. Okay, there's him. And then many more. Okay. Me, I think you don't want because every week I talk to you, right? So you all sick of me already. Joe DiNapoli. Okay, I think I paid maybe $1,000, $2,000 to attend his course before. This Joe DiNapoli. Okay, very good also. Okay. It's an online event. It's an online event. Okay, go and sign up. I put the link already, right? Go and sign up. It's an online event, 18, 19 of April. Katie Lian, okay? To get Katie Lian, right? Where's Katie Lian? Katie Lian, right? Okay, you want to get her here to speak, it's at least 10 to 20,000 US dollars, okay? Okay, can go attend, go bring people, go and listen to them. I believe you all will definitely benefit from that, okay? Han, I answered this question already, right? Just now. Okay, if not, then thank you very much. See you all next week. Bye.